Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we're going to take a look at this classroom set. So it comes with 5 little desks, a locker, the teacher's desk, which is partially cardboard, and the teacher's chair, and then some little accessories. There is quite a bit of assembly for this kit. Everything except the locker you pretty much have to put together. This is the cardboard that attaches to the 2 white pieces for the teacher's desk. I wasn't able to get it attached very well. I think for long term it would be best to glue it. I wanted to try out some different dolls to see which one would fit better, and it looks like it's a little big for Chelsea, a little small for a normal Barbie, but it's just right for like a Stacy doll. So I wanted to build a room box to put this stuff in. I took a piece of foam board and measured over 9 inches and cut a line through without going all the way through so it could bend. Then I cut 4 inches off of the top of the board. Then I measured out a floor and the other side wall. I used this wood grain scrapbook paper for the floor, and then I glued them all together. I used a gray scrapbook paper and covered the top 2/3 of the walls. I printed out some wall decorations. I just drew these up in Word. I did a whiteboard and a couple of little signs. Next, I cut 2 squares out of white scrapbook paper. And then I took these scissors and cut strips out of this blue and yellow scrapbook paper. And then I glued the strips around the edges. Then I took some washi tape and made like a little calendar on this one. And then on this one, I glued the read sign that I had printed and then just made like a little list and wrote a couple of names. Then I glued everything to the walls. Then it was time to bring in the furniture. I pulled out a few accessories. I brought in some accessories from my miniature office and from my miniature back to school supplies. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.